Hey, what's going on? It's Sai here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can use ClickFunnels to build your opt-in page so that we can use that to build our email list of our audience, right? So the first thing you want to do is want to get into ClickFunnels. Then you want to click on Funnels. Then we want to click on Add New. Then click on Create New Funnel. Now, because this time our goal is to collect emails, so we just click on this one. Or if you are hosting a webinar, you can use this one as well. But this time we choose this one. So we click on Choose. Then you just give a name to it. Then we click on Build Funnel. Then we want to choose a template, right? So as you can see, there are many templates you can choose from. So we have templates, so you can actually click the orange button to preview, right? So there are many templates you can choose from. So let me see. So this time, maybe we choose this one. So we preview. Then we click on Select Template. So right now we want to click on the Edit Page button. Then all you have to do is you click on the element that you want to change and you can set the property, right? So for example, if I want to change the image here, we just click on the image. Then they will show you the properties of the image. So you can change maybe the image here. So you just choose maybe this one, right? You can change the margin as well, or you can change the height or many other properties, right? Or you can also set the themes as well, right? So you can make it look different. Then you can also click on the headline here to change the text here. So right, and you can also click on the gear and they will show you the properties. So you can change the font size, or you can change the font family, and you can change the margin as well and the color. Right. So you can also change the subheadline here. And you want to change the margin as well. And you can change the logo here, or you can simply delete that. So that's it. And you can click on the button and to change the color here. Now you can choose different functions here, right? So so this time it's a submit, like an order or submit form. But if you want to implement like exit pop-up, you can also change it to open the pop-up, right? So it will show this one. But this time there's no pop-up here, so we just leave it as it is, right? So then everything set. You can also go to mobile and you can preview the mobile version of this website. So maybe you don't want this image to show on mobile. So you just click on the image and make it desktop only. So right now, when you switch to the mobile, it don't show the image, right? So then we want to go to setting to integrate. So if you already have the integration set up, you should be able to see your options here. So we already set up and integrate our ClickFunnels account with active campaign. So we can just choose that here. Then you can choose add to a list. Then you can choose the list you want to add, right? Then you can click on save. Then you can preview this page. So that is how you can create an opt-in page. So we can go to a previous step. Then we can go to thank you. So it's the same for thank you page. You just go here to choose a template, maybe this one, right? Then you can click on edit page. Then you just added things here, right? Then you can put the download link here, or you can add a video here. So you can click on here and you can see add new elements, right? And then maybe you can put a video here and say, oh, thank you for signing up. Or you can actually just teach in here. Then at the end of the video, you can say, oh, I have a special offer for you. Just click on the link below to get it. So that's how you can deliver the value and sell your product at the same time. So that is how you build an opt-in page. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.